everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I want to show you the next thing I'm going to be working on. This is from Crunchy Craft Creations, and I'm excited that I will be participating in the June Seasons of Creativity box. I had done the last one and I got so much positive feedback from the people that had done the project. And I wish I could show it to everyone, but the only ones that can see it are those who have subscribed to receive that box. But it was fun to do, and again, so many people enjoyed it. It made my heart warm to hear all the people that had a fun time making the project. So the next thing I'm going to be working on is the Simple Stories, The Little Things collector's kit. I'll show you the papers real quick, and then we'll talk about the other things that you get if you subscribe to Seasons of Creativity. It comes out 4 times a year. You get a 10% discount, which is fabulous, if you subscribe for the whole year. You can do it each season if you want, but you do get that discount if you subscribe for the whole year. So with this collector's kit, you get the page pieces, you get the journal bits, and I'll show you more in a little bit, and you get the stickers. Also, she throws in some ribbon, so of course I'll use that in the project. Let me show you the uh, page pieces. So that's what comes in the page pieces. When I'm doing a project, I'll put it on a piece of, this is Graphic 45 black cardstock. So I just use some adhesive to put it on here so I can put it up and look at it at a glance so I know what I have to work with. So there's that. And then this is, excuse me, that's the page pieces. This is the journal bits. I mean, look at all the fabulous things here. So I'm excited to be able to use some of those. And then as well, there is stickers. There are stickers. And you also get chipboard pieces. So there will definitely be some dimension in the project. Not a heck of a lot, but some. But lots of fun things. And let me show you the paper because that is fabulous. So there are some lemons in the kit. So there's this beautiful paper. It's sort of like a yellow ochre. It's not a lemon yellow. And then there is this 4x6 element sheet, which we may or may not use. Now, isn't this striking? Oh, it matches with my surface. And matches with that ribbon I showed you before. So that is beautiful. And then on here are 2x2 elements and 4x4 elements. On this page is the strawberries. And on that side is the 3x4 elements. So I know we'll be using some of those. This has this gorgeous yellow flowers with some of the purple. I mean, the way this collection coordinates is fabulous. And then on here are journal elements as well. Of course, this is going to be the tag sheet that you get used to with Simple Stories. Here's the other side. It is so sweet. They're so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? This one is just another piece of the collection. Look at this one, how nicely that's going to coordinate. And then here's a nice check to coordinate with the pink flowers. And then here we've got that purple, the red, which again will go with that. And then there's some black in here, which is going to coordinate with this. I just love this design. I think that's beautiful. And here's the lemons. I'm going to leave that out. I want to show you something else that'll coordinate with that. There's that pretty purple. And then there's some more flowers on here. Love the peach color, yellow roses. And then look at these, all 3 of these. So this has words on it. I know if I have leftovers, I'm going to be making some clusters, I'm sure. And there, look at that. That's just so pretty. I guess I like the black and white together. Here's some cameras, and each one has a different color flower on it. Can you see the different color flowers? They're there. And then our final sheet is this one with the beautiful flowers on here. And let me show you what else comes in the Seasons of Creativity for June. So you get these 3 scissors. In the project, I'm going to show you how to use the 3 scissors to make 4 patterns. Yes, it can be done. And then my project's going to include these scissors. I know that these scissors were popular maybe back in the 70s. Well, they're coming back again. More and more projects are using these edge scissors. So you'll get this whole pack. I've already taken it out of the plastic. You also will get this die set of arches. Now think of all the different things you could do with this. I mean, obviously a colorful rainbow would come to mind. Turn it upside down. That looks like banners to me. So all sorts of different things to use this with. And then last but not least, a couple of sheets of these dimensional adhesive. So not just the chipboard is going to create dimension in my project, but we're going to also use this. So lots of fun things to go along with the Simple Stories, the Little Things collection for the Seasons of Creativity for the June box. If you have not subscribed, go to Country Craft Creations. I'll put the link in the description box so you can go check it out. See if it's something you'd want to do. So you don't just get this, you get 4 other designers creating projects. There are other videos if you want to check them out showing you what they're working with. 4 other designers are going to make projects. And not only do you get the paper, but you get the full tutorial with the cutting list pictures, everything. And then once we finish our project, if we have leftovers, which there usually is, we'll make a second or even a third project and share that with you so you can use your papers as well. So it's a great value. Again, check out countrycraftcreations.com. Look for Seasons of Creativity. That is what I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous